Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. So if you are new to this channel, kindly help me to subscribe to this channel and do way to like and share more of our video, guys. So in today's video, I want to show you another powerful strategy that you can use on our step index, on MT5 index, on derivative, if you are trading this. So now, as you can see now, we have a lot of trade in the market currently, and we have another opportunity here. As we can see, this is our first window and this is our price tag, and what we need to do is to study what we are going to be using on our window. In our window, we have two levels there, which is the level for 92. We have the second level, which is the 8th level. So what we are going to be doing is that anytime we have this our moving average go to our buy zone, that is to tell us that we are having a buy opportunity in the market. And anytime we have our moving average that is on the selling zone here, then you should know that we are going to be having an opportunity to what? To sell down. You should know that. So what we are going to do now, let's check some of the trade that we are seeing here in the market. We can see currently now we have an opportunity here for us to take, which we also have an opportunity here before the market move away again to give us another new trend. We can see that this particular two moving average sit on the 8th level here that we see here, and we can see that this is our opportunity to go for what? A buy trend. This is our opportunity to go for a buy trend, and we can see the same thing also go for the second one. And also we have another opportunity here. That indicates to us that our moving average go above the what? Go to the 92 level here, and we can see that this is another opportunity for us to enter our first trade. Although this is the first confirmation, but the first confirmation is not really valid, and that's why we could not have it on our 92 level. So we have to wait for that particular time when this particular trade reverse back to that particular level, and this should be our what? Our retrace back level. So that should be our entry level. So we have another opportunity here too. We have another two opportunity here too. We have up to opportunity. This is the first one and this is the second one. So you can see the first one. Don't forget, this is step index 5-minute time frames. The first one go along with it, and we can see that the market respect that particular trend, and the second one also the market respect it, and it go massively on this 5-minute time frames. We can see that. So we are going to be checking another one. You can see this is another one also. We have another one here currently now, and we can see that it works perfectly. So guys, let me show you the setup of this particular strategy. So now what we are doing now is that we are waiting for the market to pull back to this particular entry, give us another confirmation before we sell up for a long period of trend. So we are going to be checking on the strategy. So let me show you this. What we have here as a strategy is the relative strength index. We have the 4 moving average. So let's check it one after the other. We have the relative strength index. We have the first one to be a period of 1 applied to close. We have our two level here. Which is the 8th level and the 92 level, which is our buy zone and selling zone. So you can also add it, and you choose this particular color to be the color of your background. So if you are using white, make sure that you have white as the color of your background. Then you click on save. Then you add your moving average to it, which is the first moving average to the period of 1. We have methods to be exponential, apply to close, and we have all this. Then you click on save. We have the second moving average. We have the period of 2. Then you change the color to be the color of your choice. Then we open the third one, which is the period of 3, and we have our setup like the same setup that we have at the first one. Then you change the color. Then we have the last one. So which is the period of 4, we have our style to be in yellow color. So that is how we have it. So immediately you press on done, you're going to have the same strategy that you have here, the same way this particular screen look like. That's exactly how you are going to be having this particular strategy. So guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and do well to like and share our video. Thanks you guys. See you guys in our next video.